good, man. As you can see, I thought I'd do the right thing and paint the frame again. It's getting a little bit worn out over the years of you know, boots rubbing on it and stuff like that. So as you can see, got it all back together. Put some new rings in it while I had it apart. And yeah, the head had some damage and I cleaned that up, but you know, it didn't measure up really good, but we'll see how it goes. I'm pretty proud of this, the old custom muffler I made. It's a ball tearer, copied the Brothers FMF one actually. Yeah, the first one I made was still about 60mm shorter than this one. It wasn't quite, it kind of run out at top end, you know. It was making noise but not producing any power, so I made it another 60mm longer and made top end to sensational now. So things are all looking good on that side. There's the frame on this side, lovely. So hopefully now I'll get back on the track and give you guys some more footage for that nice clean back plate after 3 years of topping it. So yeah, everything went well, went back together well. Took a little bit of time, a little bit fiddly. As you can see, it's quite a tight squeeze in there with all the bits and pieces. Yeah, new rings. Flushed the oil system out. Obviously there was contaminants in the oil, so we flushed the oil out, flushed the tubes, flushed everything out. So it all came out quite well. Now all we're going to do is go for a ride on the track and test it out and see if it all stays together. So excellent, hey? I'm wrapped. I went hanging to go for a ride. I'll tell you that right. Hanging. See ya. G'day, how you going? Well, as you heard and as you can see, got the old Bertha going again. Beautiful. Really looking forward to get back on the track and bring you guys some more footage. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. 420 Crew boys, we'll continue to do our best to bring you some action. So take care. See you on the track. Ciao.